Okay team, look, module 32, progress, progress, progress. Now in module 32 we are going to look at the showcase page template and again how it can change the look of our site. So roll up your sleeves and let's get right into it. Now what we need to do is we need to come over to pages and we need to go to all pages because we are going to create 2 new pages. So I want to come up here and add new. And I am simply going to call this page home. I want you to come down here to the right to page attributes, template, and I want you to select showcase template. Don't worry about putting anything in the content editor, and I would like you to simply publish that page. Then I want to add a new page, and I would like you to call this page blog. Leave the content editor vacant. Don't worry about setting this template. Please leave that at the default and then simply publish that page. Just want to make sure that has published. Now, if you remember during the course, I talked to you about how you could have a static page set, and that's what we need to do. So we need to come over to settings and we need to come to reading. And what I would like you to do is up the top here, front page displays. Now at the moment we've got a static page. I want you to change that to home, and then for your blogs I would like you to select the page for the blog page. Then come all the way down to the very bottom and remember, let's save those changes that we have made. Now once we have done that, what I want to do is just take you over to the site. I want you to see how it looks at present. I want to refresh my web browser and I want you to see the changes take place now with those couple of simple changes that we made in the dashboard. So let's refresh. Now what you will see here is that we now have recent posts on the right hand side of the page, and down the bottom we have all of our other posts. So that's a pretty special feature that we can enable. Now ladies and gentlemen, that is just the tip of the iceberg of what we can do. Check this out. Follow me through this slowly. Now we come back over to our WordPress dashboard. Now I want to do something with my posts. So what I want to do is I want to go to all posts. I want to take social media gallery. So I'm going to edit this post. I'm going to come down the bottom here and I want to set a featured image. So I'm going to set featured image and I'm just going to choose one from the gallery. So let's just pick the like thumb for FB. Now I'm going to come down to the bottom here. I'm going to set as featured image. I then want to come up to publish. I want to come to visibility. I want to edit. I want to make this a sticky post to the front page. I'm going to hit OK and I'm going to update, and let me go back and refresh my web browser and let's see these changes take effect. So let me refresh, and here you can see we now have this image featured. So we are actually creating a gallery for our post. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go to all posts again. Let's find another image here. Let's edit this post. Let's come down to the very bottom. Let's select set featured image. This time I will use the discussion forum. Set featured image, and you will see it come down here, and it will show you. Come up to your publish area, come to visibility, edit, create it as a sticky note to stick to the front page, click OK, update. Let's go back to our website. Let's refresh our web browser, and look, here we have a gallery, and we can click between the two. So how much of an outstanding feature do you think that is, and how it can just change again the look of your site and make it really interactive for your visitors and your users. Now, what I do want to point out to you, team, is that this gallery only works with posts that has featured images. So Professor Click's homework for you after module 32 is to go in and create your home page, go and create your blog page, publish them both. Then I would like you to go to settings and reading, and I want you to set your home page as the static page and your blog as the static page for your blogs. Remember to save those changes, and then go ahead and edit a few of your posts with the images. Set the featured image, go up to your publish area, edit, make it a sticky note, update, come back to your site, refresh, and just have a look at a couple of posts with featured images and how it can just make your site sing that much more. And I will see you over in module 33.